Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is part 23 of the CATIA V5 beginner series tutorial. In today's video, we will learn a simple but very useful dress-up feature, the thickness command in CATIA V5. What is thickness? The thickness tool adds a uniform wall thickness to selected faces or surfaces. It can add material, remove material, or even insert the side. Commonly used in plastic components, lightweight housings, sheet metals, and different profiles. Designed surface converted to solid. Let's start by opening CATIA. Go to Start, Mechanical Design and Part Design. Give the name thickness and click on OK. To give a thickness to a body or a surface or a object, first let's create an object. Click on the XY plane, click on the sketch, I will create this one and this one. Here this is should be 50 mm. Here this is 30 mm, and these two are symmetric about vertical axis, and this dimension is 125. Click on Exit Workbench. I want this to be mirror extent and the thickness will be 10 mm. Right now this is created, and here another line I want create. Click on the XY plane, project these two lines, this one and this circle actual. Create this line, a horizontal line and another horizontal line. These two are symmetric about horizontal line, and the dimension will be 15 mm, 15 mm, and now trim the unnecessary lines. Now my profile is created. Make the mirror extend, and this is 5. If I want to add thickness to this one, so in this phase I will add a thickness. This is a thickness tool in tracer feature. You can click on the thickness. In the thickness definition window, the default thickness is 1 mm. You can change this thickness as per your requirement and select the face where we want to give the thickness. Like here I want to give it 5 mm. And the other thickness faces, if I click on this one and this one, and I want this should be 10 mm. Here it is 5 mm, and in this cases this is 10 mm, and click on OK. Now you can see my thickness is increased. In this case, in both the rounds, this is 10 mm increased, and here it is increased 5 mm. This is how we can use the thickness command in CATIA. So that's all for today's session on the thickness command in CATIA. I hope this video helps you to understand how to add control thickness effectively on your design. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enginuity Lab. See you on next video.